Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of editing space descriptions and guidelines in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your device. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Spaces. Step 3. Now, at the top left corner, tap on the name of the space you want to edit. Step 4. At the top right corner, tap on Edit Space Details. Step 5. Here, you can add or edit the space description and guidelines. Step 6. Once you're done, tap on Save to apply the changes. Space managers have the ability to add or modify the space description, giving others a clear understanding of its purpose. Additionally, by creating guidelines, you can manage members' expectations and ensure a safer community experience. That's it. You have now learned how to edit space descriptions and guidelines in Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.